Good afternoon, everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I am bringing you the AULife refrigerator magnets. And got those in the mail. Got them yesterday, actually, but today's review Tuesday. And I'm going to open them because I'm going to do some pieces with some magnets and hopefully get them sold. Gotta bear with me. So how's everybody doing? I am doing fine. It is still very icy out. I was looking at my stairs and my husband's gone, so I guess he'll do them when he comes back because he did them. I heard him do them, but there's still ice on the steps, so I'm hoping that nobody comes over because they'll break their neck. So these are this 50-piece refrigerator magnet, and I'm going to open this box. I hope. So they're little, but that's good because they're all magnets. So that's good because I can put them on little, all kinds of things. So that's very good. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you later. I love you. God bless. Bye-bye.